Yes, you can. You can do it.
I've tried this combination at least 27 times.
You found your toe? You got your toes?
But then again, you never overthink it.
Found your toes?
I like how you organized that spare room closet, Tan.
Goggles should wear goggles.
Over you come. Come on.
Michael, thank you. Yep.
Come on, Rye.
Come on over.
You can do it.
Come on.
Here you go.
There you
There
go.
you go.
Come on. There
Oh.
you go.
Good job.
Yay! You did it.
Yay.
Now get the rest of the way.
Oh. You rolled back. Odie, leave him alone. Leave him alone. You rolled back. Do it again.
Come on. Come on. Roll over. What are you barking at?
What do you want? Oh, your toy. Are you gonna roll, bud?
Come on over. Come on.
There you go. Oh. There you go. Keep going.
He sees himself.
Keep going.
Get the baby. Get the baby.
Get going. You can
You
do
can
it.
do it.
Oh.
That arm's in the way, isn't it? That arm's in the way. Yes, it is.
Oh. Here we go. Oh. Almost. Oh. Come on, bud. You can do it.
Get stubborn. He knows what to do.
Yeah. Oh. Get that arm. Get that arm up. Oh. Almost.
You're doing it.
Yay.
Now pull your arm out.
Let's be real. Maintaining that can be tough. Naturally flavored Honey Nut Cheerios contains oat fiber. Oat fiber helps lower cholesterol because every day can use a touch of honey.
Bring your other arm out.
Did he get it out?
No, it's still stuck under there. Oh, there he goes.
There,
Good
you did
job.
Good
Yay.
boy.
Good boy, Rye. You got it.
It gives you less worry 4x4 Jeep capability. And it gives you up to 42 miles per gallon.
Now what are you going to do?
So you get all the time you need.
I don't know if he can roll back over. I haven't really given him a chance to do that, but
Oh, he did it. Did you get on video? Or?
yeah, I videotaped it.
So he